Welcome to the best pick. The Best Dog Shots Kit is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for your furry friends' long-term health and well-being, ensuring they are protected from common, often life-threatening diseases without the frequent, costly vet visits, empowering you to take proactive control of their preventative care right from the comfort and convenience of your own home, giving you peace of mind. Number 5. K9 Advantix 2XL Dog Flea, Tick and Mosquito Treatment. This treatment offers comprehensive protection for your extra-large dog, specifically those over 55 pounds. It safeguards them from a wide range of pests, including fleas, ticks, mosquitoes, biting flies, and lice. You'll see results quickly. It starts killing fleas within just 12 hours of application, bringing rapid relief to your pet. This vet-recommended formula works by killing and repelling pests on contact. This means fleas don't even need to bite your dog to be eliminated. Applying it is simple and mess-free. This topical treatment is fragrance-free and becomes waterproof after just 24 hours, so your dog can still enjoy their activities. Getting this effective treatment is convenient. You can purchase it without needing a prescription from your veterinarian. Each package provides a generous 6-month supply. This ensures your beloved companion stays protected for an extended period. What we like. This offers comprehensive protection against multiple pests, killing and repelling them on contact. It's easy to apply, waterproof, and doesn't require a prescription. If you have a large dog over 55 pounds and want hassle-free, broad-spectrum pest control, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Embark Breed and Health Dog DNA Test. Discover over 270 genetic health conditions your dog might face. This provides insights to help you give them the best possible care. Early knowledge allows you to work with your vet for a personalized plan. Identify over 400 dog breeds, including dingos and wolves, with unmatched accuracy. Its research-grade platform, developed with Cornell University, ensures the most precise breed breakdown available. You'll truly understand their heritage. Uncover 55 physical traits, from size to grooming needs. Knowing these characteristics in advance helps you become a more informed pet owner. It prepares you for their unique personality and care requirements. Discover their risk for 4 allergy types: environmental, food, contact, and flea. This unique feature provides personalized insights to keep them comfortable year-round. You'll also receive expert tips from veterinarians for prevention and management. Explore their unique personality with a new quiz. It helps you understand which instincts come from their breed mix and which are uniquely theirs. This offers deeper insight into your companion. Connect with their family members using patented technology. It finds relatives based on shared DNA, leading to countless happy reunions. Discover their extended family and build new connections. Get your results quickly, typically in 2 to 4 weeks, with updates throughout the process. If you have questions, dedicated vets and geneticists are ready to provide answers. They ensure you're supported every step of the way. What we like. This provides incredibly detailed health insights, testing for over 270 genetic conditions and offering an allergy risk score. It also identifies over 400 breeds with high accuracy. If you are looking for the most comprehensive health and breed information to proactively manage your dog's well-being, this kit is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Number 3. Embark Breed Identification Kit. This kit screens over 400 dog breeds. Using a research-grade genotyping platform, it offers the most accurate breed breakdown on the market. It provides 99% breed ancestry accuracy for mixed breed dogs. This ensures you get the most precise information about their lineage. Find and connect with your pup's family through the world's first canine relative finder. Many dogs test to discover close relatives, and some even find direct family members. Its genetic analysis can reveal your dog's breed mix going back to their great-grandparents. With this information, you can identify the routes their distant ancestors took around the world. Discover which instincts are rooted in your pup's breed mix, and which are uniquely their own. This new quiz helps you understand their individual traits better. Have a question about your results? You can talk to one of their dedicated vets or geneticists. They are there to help you every step of the way. It generally delivers results in 2 to 4 weeks and keeps you updated. For smooth DNA extraction, ensure the kit is used by its best by date, or they will provide a fresh swab. What we like. This kit focuses on highly accurate breed identification, screening over 400 breeds and tracing ancestry back to great-grandparents. It also features a unique relative finder to connect with your dog's family. If you primarily want to understand your dog's heritage and connect with their relatives, this option is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Juvale Puppy Record Card, Vaccination and Health Tracker. Keep your puppy's health records perfectly organized. This durable system is essential for maintaining accurate and up-to-date canine health information. It makes managing vaccine records efficient and straightforward. Crafted from high-quality offset paper, these cards prevent ink bleed-through, ensuring clear entries every time. They are designed to withstand frequent handling by both pet owners and veterinarians, ensuring longevity. Featuring a convenient trifold design, it measures just 5 by 3.5 inches when folded, making it easy to carry anywhere. When expanded to 5 by 10.3 inches, it provides ample space for comprehensive pet health documentation. This pack of 24 is ideal for breeders managing multiple dogs. It allows for detailed tracking of each puppy's health records, ensuring thorough documentation of their well-being from birth. Indispensable for both pet owners and veterinary practices, these cards serve as a vital tool. They help track immunization records and ensure all health information for dogs is always current and accessible. What we like. These cards offer a compact and portable solution for keeping your puppy's vaccination records organized. Made from quality, ink-resistant paper, they ensure clear and lasting entries. If you need a convenient, easy-to-carry record for a single puppy or a small litter, these are perfectly suited. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as per the instruction to quote original content. Number 1. Okuna Outpost Puppy Shot and Health Tracking Cards. Keep a close eye on your puppy's well-being with these specialized record cards. They are designed to meticulously document every vital health detail, ensuring all vaccinations and health entries are perfectly organized. These cards are perfect for both veterinarians and pet parents. They provide comprehensive documentation for all canine vaccinations, making it easy to keep health papers current and organized. Crafted from high-quality 120 GSM offset paper, these trifold booklets are built to last. Their sturdy, ink-resistant design ensures your pet's medical history remains neat, readable, and well-preserved for years to come. When unfolded, they provide generous space for all your detailed entries. Despite their ample recording area, these cards fold compactly, making them incredibly easy to store and transport wherever you go. This comprehensive set includes 60 robust record cards. It ensures you're fully prepared for all health documentation needs, whether you're managing a single pet or an entire litter. What we like. These record cards provide ample space for detailed entries and are built with durable, ink-resistant paper for longevity. Coming in a generous 60-pack, they are designed for extensive use. If you are a breeder or manage many pets and require a robust, high-volume solution for health tracking, this pack is an excellent investment. What people say. The kit provides essential vaccinations for canine health. It offers a convenient method for pet owners to administer shots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.